Today we're gonna learn on calculation of molar gas volume. So this will be on your page 12 on your notes. So learning objective for today, firstly, is to know 1 mole of any gas is equal to 24 dm cube, which is also equal to 24,000 centimeter cube in RTP. Next is to calculate the number of moles of gas present by using the formulae below, which is on the next slide. Next is to be able to use the formula to find other quantities such as volume. So this is the formula. Formulae is the plural, yeah. So this formula is found on your periodic table behind the page, yeah, behind of your periodic table. So this formulae, this is a plural for formula, which is found the page behind your periodic table. So number of moles N is equal to volume given from the question. If it's given dm cube, you have to use 24, okay? 24 dm cube per mole, which is equal for this 24 dm cube is only for 1 mole, that's why it's per mole. Oh yeah, for your extra information, the D means deci, yeah, if for those who are curious. Next, number of moles N, you can also use volume given. If it's given in centimeter cube, you have to use 24,000 centimeter cube per mole. This one, the last one, you have seen in your previous topic. Number of moles N equal to mass of the gas, gram over the mR or AR, which is from your periodic table, yeah. You calculate from your periodic table. So this is the triangle that you have seen, the one the page behind your periodic table. So please remember this by heart. I hope you know how to apply this. Alright, for introduction, 1 mole of any gas is equal to 24 dm cube, which is also equal to 24,000 centimeter cube. So this 1 mole of any gas, another name for it is called molar gas volume. Alright, so how do we do the conversion actually? Why 24 dm cube is equal to 24,000 centimeter cube? So for your information, 1 dm cube is actually 1 liter, because liter is volume, right? It's occupying the space. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So therefore 1 dm cube is equal to 1000 centimeter cube, which is equal to 1000 ml. Alright, for those who wonder how this conversion works, the calculation, so let me show you. D is deci, so 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. Do you know this? This is rarely been used in our everyday measurement, yeah. So deci means 10. So okay, when we want to convert to cube, we cube both sides. Do like your maths, cube. So 1 cube is still 1. Then share to the unit, you get dm cube. Then also do your indices here on the right hand side. 10 cube is 1000 centimeter cube. So yeah, that's how you get your unit. Alright, here's an example of 3 different gases. Assuming the volume of these 3 balloons are the same, so here you have 1 mole of helium gas is 4 gram. This is the mass. You know how to calculate the mass, right? From your periodic table, you check the atomic mass. So 1 mole of any gas, as I recall, should occupy the volume of 24 dm cube. Next, 1 mole of O2 gas, this is oxygen. Oxygen has to be diatomic. This is the mass, 32. So 1 mole of any gas, as I recall, always occupy the volume of 24 dm cube. Next, 1 mole of CO2, this is carbon dioxide. carbon dioxide gas has the mass of 44 gram. So it also occupies the volume of 24 dm cube because it's also 1 mole, right? So here I put the note, under same room temperature and pressure, yeah, these three has to be the same room temperature and pressure. Do you notice that the size of the balloons are the same, but the mass are different? So if you remember those party balloons, the helium balloon, they tend to float on air, while the gas you blew out tend to sink on the floor, because mostly you blew out are those nitrogen and carbon dioxide and other gas, which is heavy. We don't have helium here. Next. Alright, on your question here, exercise 10.10. Number 1, calculate the number of moles present in the following gases. So you have here 240 dm cube of bromine gas Br2. So the steps I put here, check the units given on the question. So here you are given with the dm cube. So in order to find number of moles is the n. So if you recall the triangle, and volume, so if dm cube, you have to use the one with 24 dm cube. So if you want to focus to find number of moles, or I shade this one yellow, number of moles is equal to volume divide with 24. So let's write the formula. Number of moles equal to volume over 24. So since they are in dm cube, right, this is dm cube, this one I put here dm cube per mole, the unit. So substitute this one, this is the volume, 240 dm cube divide with 24 dm cube per mole. Next, you know in maths you need to cancel the units here. So let's cancel out this dm cube and dm cube, so you left with mole. So next you need to divide number, 240 divided with 24, you left with 10. So therefore your answer is 10. Left the unit is moles. So there you go, you get 10 moles here. Alright, next question, part B. You have 96 centimeter cube of neon gas. Neon is monoatomic, so it's just Ne. So let's check the units. First step, see the unit is given. Here you have the centimeter cube. So get the triangle. Since the centimeter cube, you have to use the one with 24,000 centimeter cube per mole. Here is the volume. Volume has to be centimeter cube. So if you want to find the number of moles, here let me shade. So it is volume divide with 24,000. So let's write the formula. Number of moles equal to volume over 24,000 centimeter cube per mole, cm cube. So this thing is volume. So let's substitute into the formula here. 96 centimeter cube divided with 24,000 centimeter cube per mole. So let's cancel the units. Here you have centimeter cube. Then you calculate the values using your calculator. So therefore you should get 0.004 mole. Mole is left here, so yes. Alright, please try other question from C to H by your own and show me your answer through WhatsApp. Please personal message to me to avoid copy paste from your classmate. Next, question 2. You are asked to calculate the volume of these following gases. Okay, part A, you have 2 moles of hydrogen gas, H2 in centimeter cube. Okay, so firstly, check the unit. Unit given here is 2 moles. You are asked to find volume. The volume you want in centimeter cube. So if you have centimeter cube, get the triangle, the one with centimeter cube. The one with centimeter cube is 24,000 centimeter cube per mole. Here is the volume. So now you want the volume. So volume is equal to number of moles times with the 24,000. So let's write the formula. Volume is equal to number of moles times 24,000. So just put the number here, 2 times 24,000. Therefore you should get 48,000 centimeter cube. See, same unit, centimeter cube. Make sure you fulfill the unit that I wanted. Next, part B. Again, please note down, volume is V, number of moles is N, you want in dm cube. So get the triangle, the suitable triangle for this, the one with dm cube, because it's dm cube, yeah. So number of moles, so dm cube is with the 24, dm cube per mole. Here is the volume. Volume should be in dm cube, yeah. So now we want to find the volume. Volume is equal to number of moles times with the 24. So now let's write the formula here. Number of moles is equal to, volume is equal to number of moles times 24. So you have 0.5 mole times 24. You can write the unit, you may not then write the unit also, okay. So when you multiply, you should get 12. Please write the unit when you get the answer, yeah. dm cube, you want the answer in dm cube. Volume is dm cube. Alright, so please attempt other questions from C to F, and same procedure also, show your answers through my WhatsApp. Okay, if any problem, please do not hesitate to ask. Okay, that's all for me.